Today we're looking at photographing birds in flight, which can be easy, it can be hard, depends how you approach it. But let's have a look and see. We'll go down to the height on the marsh and we'll start from there. Right, well, I've just checked with the rangefinder facility on the OM-1, and the hide that's on the marsh, literally on the marsh, is 284 meters away. So that gives me a distance there, and I will show you the images that I got coming up, so keep watching and you'll see the images that I got. Not best practice, because I was trying to do other things at the same time, but that always happens when you're in the middle of doing one thing. You then see an opportunity. But as I say, there's a right way and there's a wrong way to pan, and it does make a difference. So if you can do it the right way, you're more likely to succeed and get a decent image. So you can pan with the bird, but you have no means of which direction it's going to be going in. So it's a case of taking the rough with the smooth and doing the best that you can, as we have here. Okay, I think that's probably going to be it. We'll have a look back out across the marsh. Okay, so we're going to be looking back at some of the shots I've taken before of birds in flight and older equipment that I was using, like the G80, which was the Panasonic Lens G8. Good camera, but had its restrictions, shall we say. I then went on to get the G9, which was a far better camera. The G80 had only 16 megapixels, the G9 went up to 20 megapixels, far better sensor, and generally a far better camera. The first image that you can see here was taken with the G80, which is not bad, but as you will see, the images then taken by the G9 are so much of an improvement. As you can see here, the G9 did very well. As I was panning with this great egret, flew past, and I managed to get one or two really nice shots. But of course the G9 didn't have eye detection or anything like that. These shots were taken at Ham Wall in Yorkshire Reserve. We'll move on to Bampton Cliffs on the coast to have a look at the gannets and the puffins. So let's have a look and see how they came out. But we were also using the G9, but I then obtained the 100 to 400 lens, which made a big difference. And these are the puffins. Are not such good quality, because the puffins are actually a smaller bird and further away in the crags and crevices of the cliffs. So these are fairly well cropped. So not such good quality, I'm afraid, but not bad considering. We now move on to the present time, and I'm now using the OM-1 and the f4 300 prime lens, which makes a big difference. The OM-1 to the G9, the focusing is just in a different league completely. As I say, the G9, brilliant camera. I'm sure the G9 too is not a bad camera, but I still think the OM-1 has it's just that little bit ahead, especially the OM lenses or Olympus lenses. I don't think there's any equivalent to the f4 300 Lumix range. So let's have a look, see what we've got. Here we have some shots of a kestrel just as it takes off. This was done using the Pro Capture feature on the OM-1 and using the prime lens as well. Not too bad a capture, I think. See what you think. And as you can see, I like birds of prey, especially owls and marsh harriers, kestrels, etc. But I do occasionally take shots of smaller birds like the kingfisher. I think everybody likes the kingfisher, so there's a few shots here taken again using Pro Capture, which works extremely well. I could put a bit more content in, but I'm afraid of making the video far too long and I don't want to make it boring for you. So we'll just wind up now and say thanks for watching. Hi, well, I hope you found some of this of interest, if not all of it. Much appreciate you watching, and if you could subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. And if you click on the subscribe, which will be coming up, and also try and remember to click on the bell as well. That gives you notifications. If you don't click on the bell, you won't be updated to when the next video comes out. And this doesn't cost you anything at all. It just keeps you updated to as and when I put out a new video or what's going on. So much appreciate that. For some reason my subscribing rate has dropped. It took off, I was very pleased, and then it just sort of just dropped. And what's going on I don't know, because YouTube's it's to do with the content, and it's to do with how many clicks, views you get, and how many subscribers and so on, how the channel then moves forward. And some of my videos I thought would do very well haven't done so well. Other ones that I thought were very mediocre have done extremely well. Let me know your views in the comments. I'm quite happy to take any comments, good or bad. Be much appreciated, and look forward to doing the next video, which I'm afraid is going to be age related, shall we say. Okay, until next time, see you then, and thanks for watching again. Bye for now. Till next time, cheers. Thanks for watching, and could you please give us a thumbs up, that'd be good, and maybe subscribe as well. Much appreciated, and hopefully we will see you next time. If you subscribe, you will get notification of when the next video comes out. So many thanks for that, and bye for now.